Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic solution for your party decorations, the Decojoy 4-set balloon stand kit. If you're looking to elevate your event with a stunning balloon display, this might just be the best metal balloon column stand available on the market right now. The Decojoy balloon stand kit offers versatility and durability, designed for both indoor and outdoor celebrations. Whether it's a birthday bash, graduation party, or any festive occasion, this kit promises to transform your venue into a vibrant, balloon-filled wonderland. Let's talk about what makes this kit stand out. Firstly, it includes 4 adjustable balloon column kits, each capable of reaching up to 9 feet in height. These aren't your flimsy plastic rods. They're made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring sturdiness and longevity. Each kit comes with a heavy-duty base that can be filled with water bags, providing stability without the need for helium. This means you can create stunning balloon arches and columns that won't budge, even in outdoor settings. Now, let's set one up. Assembling the Decojoy balloon stand is incredibly straightforward. The telescopic rods extend easily, and with minimal effort, you can adjust them to your desired height. No tools required. The kit also includes 50 balloon rings, perfect for fastening balloons securely. Whether you're aiming for a classic arch or a creative balloon tower, the Decojoy kit gives you the tools to bring your vision to life. While there are other balloon stands out there, the Decojoy stands apart due to its robust construction and ease of use. Unlike cheaper alternatives, these stands are built to last through multiple events, saving you money in the long run. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality solution for your balloon decorations, look no further than the Decojoy 4-set balloon stand kit. It's versatile, durable, and designed to make your next event truly memorable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips on making your events extraordinary. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, helping you choose the best for your celebrations.